how to earn daily Bitcoin rewards, especially from 2024 until about 2035 or so. We've got about a 10-year window to where they're not going to run out of Bitcoin and you can harness as much as you possibly can. It's basically called BTC rewards, okay, or Bitcoin rewards. How do they do that? Well, with properties like this and opportunities like Cryptex, you can earn what we call DeFi staking contracts, and they pool the Bitcoin process. You earn rewards from securing the network with your contributions, okay, especially with contracts. This company specifically does it very, very well. It goes for 36 months, 60 months, or even 84 months, okay? And as you can see, my available balance is 125. I normally do that once a month. I'll extract those funds, put it into my hard wallet or cold wallet, and you can also see what my earnings are up to date, and this has been approximately 8 months worth. You can see that I've earned profits from staking about 167,000 in Cryptex, okay? Now the reward referral staking is what I've earned from referring others to this opportunity, which has been about 228,000. So a total of 395,000 so far. So I'm around the 400,000 level mark. And I've got about 31 people that I have shown this and that have come inside of Cryptex with me to do and follow the same process, okay? Let me show you some of my contracts here. And to put it lightly, put it simply for you, I purchased several different contracts. They were $100 per contract. And I'm earning now $97 on one contract, 97, 96, 96, 95, and this one was a special package contract where I purchased it for $1,000, but I got 15 contracts, so I got a bonus. And those 15 contracts are the 3-year contracts. I earned $500 a day in Bitcoin rewards. Now, those Bitcoin rewards do not go into your actual wallet until the end of the contract expiration, okay? And as you can see here, the dates when I started and the dates when it's going to finish, okay? This is the 3-year. I believe this is the 5-year, and so forth and so on, okay? So it's definitely worth taking a look at. Let's look at my next opportunity for earning Bitcoin on a daily basis, especially when it comes to BTC or Bitcoin rewards. Okay, here we are in bitharvest.info. If you want information, go to bitharvest.info. And this one is actually slightly different. It's a little newer. It's just come out in 2024. You can purchase bit boosters in order to start the mining process. And as you can see, I have a small team that I've been forming. What I want to show you is very interesting. You can see I've earned about $4.19 so far today in Bitcoin rewards. Plus, I've also earned $2.24 so far in Bitcoin rewards via showing other people and becoming an affiliate. Okay, you may not say that's very much. It's about $6.30, but I actually started out at 39 cents per day in BTC rewards. Okay, and that's been about 60 days. Okay. So the way that I do it is I compound this platform every time I earn $100 in my total wallet, which is normally right now about a week, maybe about 6 days. I will turn that over and increase my daily earnings in the Bitcoin. Okay, so if we look at my BTC wallet here, you can see today's date, August 12th. and that was income ranking, but also we have mining ranking, which is right here, $4.20 for the day, okay? Now, what's interesting is if I go to the end of this and look at the very first day, you'll see my mining reward was 34 cents, okay? So it just takes a process, and I cannot stress to you how important it is in the next 10 years from 2024 until 2035 or so that you can mine Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to continue to go up and up and up, okay? It's not stopping. It started out January of 2024 at about 41 to 42,000. Currently, it's about 62,000. It's been as high as 74,000, I believe, this year. And mark my words, watch another video in a year that I make, and when I'm talking about Bitcoin being at $120,000 or $140,000 a coin, you're going to possibly regret it if you don't take action now, okay? It's very important to understand that in order to earn income and how to earn daily Bitcoin rewards, you've got to take action. You got to click on the link in the description below. Take a look at the 2 programs that I've been a part of, especially Bitcoin for about the past 60 plus days. And I've been a part of Cryptex for almost a year. And I can tell you that they are consistent. They are pooling into the Bitcoin farms and getting a small percentage of that Bitcoin reward or BTC reward. And they're passing 60% along and back to us who actually get into their platforms and start the process. Okay, so click on the link in the description below. My name is Erik Burton with erikburton.com. I will see you on the next video.